In this video, we will explain how to meditate, where, when, what to do with your body, with your mind, how long to meditate, and the benefits of meditation. Everything in a very clear and simple way, so you can start your first meditation today.
What is meditation?
Meditation is a practice which, through a technique to educate attention and awareness, aims to achieve a clear, emotionally calm and stable state of mind. Meditation is a mental exercise with which, through attention, we train our mind to bring it to a state of peace, calm, and inner serenity. With meditation, we are learning to observe our thoughts. At the same time, we can begin to understand them better. Learning to meditate is like learning any other skill. Think of it as exercising a muscle that you have never worked before. It takes practice to get comfortable with meditation.
Where to meditate?
You can meditate almost anywhere you feel like it and where you are calm without anything or anyone bothering you. You can meditate on the beach, in the mountains, standing, or sitting in a chair, in your office, lying on your bed, although it is not recommended since you can easily fall asleep. Comfortably sitting on the floor of your living room with your back straight. This is the most formal and beneficial way to meditate because it keeps you awake and allows you to be comfortable for a longer time.
How to position your body?
Back, as straight as possible without tension. Feet, one on top of the other or crossed with each other. The hands relaxed on the thighs, forming a cup. The thumbs and the index finger may or may not touch. It depends on you. Although you can place your hands and feet as you wish, as long as you are comfortable. Head staying level, not tilted up or down, just forward. Eyes better closed, especially for beginners, if you open them, looking into the distance to infinity.
How long to meditate?
For beginners, it is recommended to start with only 5 to 10 minutes. For the more experienced, 10 to 20 minutes is recommended. Set an alarm when you start meditating, because it helps prevent the constant need to wonder how much time is left in the session.
What kind of meditation?
There are endless ways to meditate. Some people focus on the things around them. It's hard to focus like this. Others recite words in their mind. We recommend the mindfulness breathing. as powerful and successful as any other form of meditation, especially for beginners.
What is mindfulness?
Mindfulness is the quality or state of being conscious or aware at the present moment. It means being here and now. It is paying attention to the experience in the present moment.
How is mindfulness practiced?
You must focus all your attention on breathing. Breathe through your nose. Feel the air as it flows through your nostrils and fills your lungs. Observe the cycle of inspiration and expiration. Take a short pause, 2 to 3 seconds, between these two actions. Observe how the air enters your lungs and then how it leaves. Simply observe your breathing. When thoughts start to appear in your mind and distract you from the task of breathing, bring your attention back to breathing. Do not worry about these thoughts that appear. It is totally normal for this to happen, especially when we start. Meditation is a training process. Simply refocus your attention on the breath over and over again. Over time, you will be able to focus on your breathing for longer periods of time.
When should I meditate? How often?
Benefits only come if you meditate regularly. Meditation should be a daily habit. As a general rule, 5 to 10 minutes a day. For the more experienced, 10 to 20 minutes once or twice a day. In the morning, when you wake up, is a good time to practice, although you can choose any other time of the day that best suits your routine. Meditation should be a daily task.
When will I notice the benefits of meditation?
Mostly, it depends on the frequency and the duration of the meditation, although it differs from person to person. We can say that after a month of meditating daily, you will begin to notice the benefits. Mindfulness meditation has multiple benefits. We enjoy more and better the present moment. We connect our mind with the body. We free ourselves from recurring worries and negative thoughts. We improve our concentration and memory. We improve attention at work and in personal and family life. We improve our empathy. Aggressiveness is reduced and creativity is increased. Improves the quality of our sleep. We sleep better. Relieves anxiety and stress. Improves blood pressure, heart rate, chronic pain, fibromyalgia. All of these benefits are clinically documented. Although meditation is not a panacea for everything, it does improve many of our attitudes, activities, and some diseases.
Who can benefit from meditation?
Everyone can benefit from meditation. Adults, young people, older couples, young couples, pregnant women, and even children.
Can music help to meditate?
Music is not essential, but relaxing music can help in meditation, especially for beginners. We, on our Brain Calm channel, recommend music as an aid in the process of relaxation and meditation. Try it! We offer you relaxing music accompanied by beautiful images of nature. You decide if you want to start a practice that will change your life. It's up to you. Brain Calm will help you if you wish. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel.